Kia ora koutou, Reese from QuickSense here, and today we're looking at scatter plots, line of best fit, and correlations. Now a scatter plot, sometimes called bivariate data because there's two variables, is often presented in a scatter plot. So the helpful thing to know is that each of the points is a point of data. Right, so this is looking at people who have visited the doctor and their heights and their weights. But each individual dot, remember, that's a person. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 people, which is actually what the question is. How many people visited? Well, 10 people. In this next question, what we're asked to do is more interpreting the scatter plot. So which of the following is correct? The first one asks exactly three candidates produced between 2 to 3 widgets. So that data is in this band here, right? And I can immediately see that it's not exactly 3, right? So we know that this is not true. More than 3 people are between 2 and 3. What about the next one? Let's get rid of that. The time spent increased as more widgets were produced. So what we would expect to see then is this kind of positive relationship. And that's not what we're seeing, right? If I were to put 2 bars kind of roughly around the outside, we'd see that it's going down. It has a negative relationship. So this one's also not true. It's not the case that that the time is increasing as more are produced. In fact, the time is decreasing. It has a negative relationship, which is what this next one is, right? The time spent decreased with the number of widgets produced. The last thing to do is to count them. And there are not 16, there are 18 candidates. So the one that's true, that the time spent decreases with the number of widgets produced.